guys, today I want to share with you because I need to dry this beautiful rose for my project, and I want to share with you in the same time. So I will dry them in silica gel and I will teach you how to do it. So let's start it, yeah? Hey! So first we need a rose. So for silica gel, always remember, always you have to have sealing air bag, like that big container. You can see me. You need a big container for roses because they need plenty of space to get dry, and you have to seal it to make sure to not any damp or not any wet place to keep this rose. So for that, first we need to prepare first our rose. We need to cut it because I don't need all other thing. I need to cut the rose first and prepare to dry them. So you need to cut down. So I'm gonna cut. So all this, our rose is ready now. We're gonna get our silica gel. That I put it all around here. This part is rose, this part is different flowers. I did all together. So I'm gonna leave that for 2 weeks or maybe for 3-4 days and see how it goes. But you have to make sure to seal it properly and leave it until for 3-4 days. You can come back and check a little bit, and I show the result after 3-4 days. Okay, so guys, after 3 days I check my rose and I think they're ready to put them away, and I put another flower to my silica gel. That's why I have this type of plastic containers. If you see, plastic containers I put inside the rose. So let's see. If you hear it's dry sound, that's middle a little bit is not ready yet. That's why I will put back this one. The middle little bit not ready. And see, check another one. Oh, that is dry. Yeah, this one is dry. I think that is ready for put here container. I will put in a container, beautiful, because make sure this one, it's, I think middle is not ready yet, so that's why we're gonna put back. It's all right. You just can check it and put it back. That's no big deal. And a little bit help as well, like open and mix silica gel inside. So let's see this one. Oh, that's one absolutely ready. This one is so beautiful. If you hear, absolutely beautiful. The structure look beautiful, and I can reuse it to my resin. So I'm gonna put that one here as well. Wow, look at this. Look at that. How beautiful. Yeah, it's ready, that one as well. I'm in love with these roses. So beautiful. That's for now. That's it. You dry your roses. So for this silica gel, I'm gonna now put this flower to dry. Okay, so that's, you can circle like that. Thank you for watching.